Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple makeup look that you can do in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. I'm taking this LA Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. I'm going to apply it under my eyes just to highlight those places. I'm also going to apply it on my forehead and the bridge of my nose and the side of my mouth. I'm basically applying it to highlight my face. Now I'm taking the shade Cool Tan of the same concealer and I'm just applying it to the places where I haven't highlighted. With this Real Techniques foundation brush, I'm gonna blend all over my face. The more you'll blend, the more perfect base you can get. Now I'm taking this sleek contour and highlight kit. I'm going to take the bronzy shade and with the help of a brush I'm going to slightly contour and bronze my face. I'm also going to contour my nose a little bit. With this Inglot eyebrow pencil I'm going to draw both of my eyebrows. Now with the brush side of the same eyebrow pencil, I'm going to brush both my eyebrows so that the brows look snatched. Now I'm going to take this bronzy shade and I'm gonna apply it onto the lids of my both eyes. I'm just going to apply it as a regular eyeshadow, but I'm applying it all over my lids. Now I'm going to take the highlighter shade from that same palette and I'm going to apply it onto the lower lid parts of my eyelids. I'm also going to highlight my inner corners. Again, I'm taking that brown shade and I'm gonna slightly deepen the outer V of my eye. After that, I'm gonna take the highlighter shade again and just highlight the brow bones. Now I'm gonna apply this brown shade onto my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal black eyeliner and I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm just doing a simple eyeliner, I'm not doing anything too dramatic. And now I'm just gonna add some wings to my eyeliner. I really love a good winged eyeliner. And now with this Real Techniques highlight brush, I'm gonna highlight the usual places of my face. I'm taking this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm gonna apply it to my eyes right now. Now I'm taking this Anastasia blush kit and I'm gonna mix these three colors and apply it to my cheek. I'm taking this Neon lipstick in the shade number 18. This is a very soft color. I'm gonna apply it to my lips. And that's about it. I'm done with my makeup. If you guys have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching this.